We have yet another day with SafeMoon version 2 not officially out quite yet, but it is getting very, very close. In fact, check this out. I want to go ahead and point this out. It says SafeMoon win version 2 question mark very, very soon. So it said very soon before. Now it's very, very soon. I know, guys. It's a marketing thing, okay? But we're going to be talking about the price action. Before I get any further into this, I want to say a special shout out thank you to our Patreon supporters. A double shout out thank you to RemAG for being a higher level. And if you want to be up on this board, you could be up on it in every video I do for as little as $1 a month. There is a link in the description, and I do appreciate it, everyone. Also, please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research. I encourage you to do your own research. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got going on here. This is on the day charts. We are a couple hours into the new day. And by taking a look at the charts down below for Pancake Swap, you can see a very low level. By looking over on the SafeMoon.com website, it actually shows an increase here, 15.59%. at $5.8 million over the last 24 hours. So a slight increase based on that metric. Looking over on the Pancake Swap version 2 side, according to the charts here, it suggests that it's kind of down. But regardless, we're looking at the range between 4 million and 6 million on the daily trading volume for the last several days. As it is, because people are waiting on version 2, there's not much going on for trading. There's not much really activity. A lot of the sentiment with people are getting impatient. You got other people trying to keep them calm. People are concerned about them delivering on these things. It's all standard at this point, right? This could be tomorrow. We've been seeing a lot of clues suggesting that it looks like liquidity might be getting moved over, could be tied in with the exchanges, preparing them to be ready to go as soon as SafeMoon version 2 launches. So, it's exciting times. As we look down here, not too many transactions per minute going on. There's just a couple. Okay, looking at the price action on the charts, we have a lot of this sideways consolidation for the last several days, a very minimal price range going on between these. This is hovering at the moment at 1664. We've been seeing it push right around 17 today, dropping down a tad bit, so it's right around in that range. If you look at this downwards channel, we have broken up above the upper quadrant, right? So this top level here is working towards the resistance. We have the bottom level down below here. And so as it is, breaking above the median, working our way towards the top level resistance, if we were to try and push towards it today, the 50-day moving average, the 15-day, which is this yellow line, that is following very well with top level resistance. They're basically side by side going across one another. Very interesting to see it like that. So I'd be looking at some resistance today at 2137. That's today is in within the next 24 hours for the daily candle. And if it can manage to break that, look at 32 is the next major level resistance. And then we have another opportunity to make a further run up. I'd be looking at a major level at 62.68. So when the SafeMoon version 2 comes out and that consolidation takes place, these prices that I'm telling you right now basically eliminate 3 zeros, and it's the same number. So instead of 0.00001664, that's a lot of zeros, you're only going to have 2 zeros. So 0.00164. Or sorry, 1664 from where we are right now. So moving a lot closer over to the 1 cent range. Just keep that in mind if you want to refer back to this, and SafeMoon version 2 is now out already, and I haven't made a new video quite yet based on those metrics. Okay? And we're much more likely, based on what we're looking at here with the SafeMoon version 2 launch, there's a lot of hype that's been built up on it. A lot of people have been waiting. It's going to be trending. Like, if it's not trending, I am a horse's uncle, or whatever the old phrase is, right? If this decides it wants to pull back, I'm looking at a minor level of support right here at 1565. Further drop down would be at 1. Significant drop down would be 401, and then anything below that for the day would be 0, right? So like it would go all the way to 0 if it followed this bottom level channel. Probably not going to happen. I really hope It's not going to happen. I hope that it's going to go up. You have low volume. You have a downwards channel. It looks like a good opportunity for this to make an actual breakout and go on a strong run. The price is very, very low, guys. We got about 3 million wallet holders. There's just so many indicators suggesting that we are much more likely for this to be going up very soon than for it to be going down. If you want my guess, I think that we might see SafeMoon version 2 announced and be fully accessible on SafeMoon Sunday. I think it's a good opportunity to reach out to a big audience of people, to get everybody like knowing that it's live. They have the opportunity to go and participate in it. So that could be very interesting. I'm wondering what the fees are going to be like through PancakeSwap, because I bet you there are going to be a lot of people that are trying to flood in all at the same time. And with that being said, let's also go take a quick look over here. I can show you what happened with the whale reports for the day. Let's go ahead and keep it here pretty brief, but all right, let's go ahead and scroll on up. I just now thought about it. So we have 4:24 a.m., 90 billion moved. That was from an account with 1.15 trillion SafeMoon. Another one with 450 billion moved. That account still has 403.58 billion left in it. We have another account, 450 billion moved. Count 403.58 billion. That is actually the same whale address, so I think they ended up moving the full amount. It says weekly amount moved 1.67 trillion. Then we have another amount moved 0x. That's the same account being associated there. So you got 3 different instances all being tied to the same account. A lot of people are suspecting that those SafeMoon in that wallet that's been moved is potentially tied with liquidity for an exchange. We also have an automated liquidity transfer that causes the price to drop down some when that takes place. Standard 250 billion transferred there. We have a manual liquidity transfer, which causes the price to come up a little bit. That was 30.28 billion SafeMoon. We have amount moved 225 billion SafeMoon from an account with 1.67 trillion. That's the same one that was being mentioned earlier, the 0x1F. And then we have another manual liquidity transfer, this time of 224.47 billion SafeMoon. That still has 17.05 trillion left. So quite sizable account for sure. All right, guys. It's looking very, very close, or from what SafeMoon's Twitter account is saying, very, very soon. It's exciting. It's stressful. It's a whole wave of emotions. I'm right there with you. I'm a holder of SafeMoon. I have faith in this. Hope is the ability to hear the music of the future. Faith is the courage to dance to it today. Let's see what happens. And here's hoping and praying for the best, guys, and having faith, of course, like I just said. I got referral links in the description if you want to get free cryptocurrency or free stock. You can go check out those links. They're Coinbase, Gemini, BlockFi, Webull, that kind of a thing. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. Hit the thumbs up like button. It does help us out with the YouTube search algorithm. Click the bell icon so you know whenever we go live, and I will see you in the next episode.